everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are drawing and coloring 2D shapes. First we are using and mixing the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are mixing and using the color of black. First we are coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon, the shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, the next one is square, the shape of square. We are again mixing and using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Thank you so much for watching. Kids, the next one is circle, the shape of circle. Now we are using the color of black. The last one is trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid. The last one is trapezoid. We are again using the color of black. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.